Hey everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to create discount codes in Shopify and also some different strategies to keep in mind on when and how you should use these codes. So don't worry if you've never done this before, I'll be taking you through this step by step and teaching you along the way. By the way, if you'd like to get started on Shopify, we have a special link down below where we offer you a free trial and your first month for only $1. All right, let's get right into it. When you log into your Shopify admin dashboard, on the left-hand side of the screen, you will go down and click Discounts. You'll click the Create Discount button and decide which type of offer you would like to give to your customers. The first one is Amount Off Products, which is a discount for specific products or a collection of products. Next, you have Buy X Get Y, which are typically offers like buy one, get one free or buy one, get one 50% off. Then you have Amount Off Order, which is a discount off the total order amount. Lastly, you have a free shipping offer, which is typically either an automatic discount that's applied at checkout or a free shipping code. For the purpose of this video, we will be using Amount Off Order so that we can provide our new customers a 10% off code. First, you choose your method, whether that be a discount code that a customer will apply at checkout themselves or an automatic discount, which is typically a cart applied discount when a customer reaches a certain minimum product or minimum purchase requirement. For the purpose of this video, we will be using the code WELCOME10 so that we can provide a welcome 10% off code to our new customers. Be careful to not use something like 10 off, as the 0 and the O combined can look like 100 off and confuse customers. Also, if you're having trouble thinking of a code, you could always click Generate Random Code. However, these codes can typically be long and confusing also. Next, on discount value, we are going to decide between percentage or fixed amount off. Since we're offering 10% off to our customers, I'm going to keep it at percentage and just add 10. Next, for minimum purchase requirements, you can either choose between no minimum requirements, a minimum purchase amount, or minimum quantity of items. Once again, because we are offering this code to new customers, we are going to click on no minimum requirements. As for customer eligibility, you can choose between all customers, specific customer segments, or actual specific customers in which you'll be prompted to put in their emails. For this video, I'm going to show you how to use specific customer segments. Once I click here, I will be able to click Browse and choose between different customer segments that are already set up for me. The segments that are set up are customers who haven't purchased, customers who have purchased more than once, abandoned checkouts in the last 30 days, email subscribers, and also customers who have purchased at least once. Because we are giving this welcome code offer to new customers, I'm going to click on customers who haven't purchased. However, I want you to keep the different strategies in mind for when and how you can use these different segments. The cost to retain a customer is a lot cheaper than acquiring a new customer, so it's always good to keep in mind these different segments and how you can offer them different codes throughout your marketing journey. Next, you want to decide on the maximum discount uses. You can either limit the times a discount is used, or you can limit it to 1 use per customer. Once again, for the purpose of this video, we will be limiting to 1 use per customer since this is a new welcome discount. After maximum discount use, we will go into combinations. Here you will decide if you are going to allow your discount code to be combined with other codes. Typically, you want to offer your codes to be stacked with your shipping discounts, especially if you have an automatic shipping discount set up in your cart where the customer gets free shipping over, let's say, $75. I'm going to go ahead and allow for my welcome 10 to be combined with a shipping discount. And lastly, you have your active dates. You can set a start and end date for your discount codes, especially if it's for a promotion that's only running for a limited time. For this specific discount code, I am not going to set up an end date as I want all new customers to be able to use it until I decide to change it. So now we can go to the right and review all the parameters set to ensure that the code is set up correctly. Under Summary, you will also see Sales Channel. This is where you will find any other channels that you're selling on, such as your point of sale, Facebook, Instagram, and perhaps even TikTok Shop. What you're going to want to do in order to make sure that these discount codes are offered on these channels is to tick mark all the different sales channels. Once everything looks good to you, go ahead and click Save. Some tips for success are to promote your code. Get it out there. You can use your shareable link in order to market on emails, social media, and even on your homepage. Test your code to make sure that everything is working properly. Add different products to your cart, set up different combinations, and ensure that your code works correctly. And lastly, you're going to want to make sure to monitor performance. You want to see how often the code is used and also what the impact it has on your sales. You can check that on the analytics dashboard, which you can also also find on the left-hand side of your screen. So that's all for how to create your discount codes in Shopify. And again, if you haven't already signed up for Shopify, we do have a special link down below where you can get your first 3 days free and your first month for only $1. Also, be sure to check out the links below to our favorite e-commerce tools. I hope you guys have found this video helpful. If so, please like and subscribe so you can see more videos just like this. Here on this channel, we like to make videos to help you start and grow your e-commerce business. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.